Okay, good morning everyone. This is class 7. So, today we will start a new chapter that is called Computer Software and Languages. So, in this chapter, you can see we will learn about generation of computer languages, then computer software and its types, and next is number system. So, as we know that computer has become a very important as well as integral part of our life. This is due to continuous advancement in the development of its two main components, that is hardware and software. So, due to continuous advancement in the development of its two main components, that is hardware and software, so we need to learn about hardware. Hardware consists of all the physical parts that make up a computer system like keyboard, CPU, monitor, etc. And software is the name given to the instructions and program that make the hardware to work. So, next you can see the generation of computer languages. So before we start about the generation of computer languages, we need to know what is language. In order to communicate with each other, you need to know a language like English, Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Sanskrit, German, etc. etc. However, a computer does not understand these languages. You need to communicate with a computer in a language that the computer can understand. The languages that a computer can understand are divided into four categories. So, advancement in software technology is directly linked to development in computer programming languages. This happened in different stages, and these stages are all known as generation of computer languages. So, what is the generation of computer languages? Again, I am telling you, advancement in software technology is directly linked to development in computer programming languages. As that means, according to the requirement of software technology, directly linked to development in computer programming languages. These happened in different stages, and these stages is known as the generation of computer languages. Now, let's start about the generation of computer languages. We need to communicate with a computer in a language that the computer can understand. The language that computer can understand are divided into four categories. What are these four categories? Number one is low level languages, that is LLL in short form. Okay, number two is high level languages or third generation languages. You see HLL in a short form. Next one is 4GL, that is fourth generation languages. And the last, that is number 4, artificial intelligence languages or fifth generation languages. So, we will learn about these all four languages, all these four categories in our next class.